You want me to sing a little something?
No, I don't. I don't want people to unsubscribe.
My voice is... I did have dairy today and that coats the throat, or I would fucking bless these people.
I think Bailey's doesn't count as dairy.
It does.
I don't know.
I don't know either,
So-
but that's what I'm gonna say. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to She Show Videos, where we are your hosts, Elizabeth and Britany.
Hi.
As you can tell by our attire, it is the Christmas season.
Most joyous time of the year. Oh
And-
my gosh. That's such a good cocktail.
It is a quality cocktail. It is the Christmas season, and we're here for you guys.
We are.
Per usual.
Educational purposes mostly.
Yes.
Okay. Today, specifically, we're crafting. I know. Sort of. Decorating.
I was here to say I wouldn't call it
Ish.
craft. I'm not making anything
No.
except for
Puddles.
puddles.
My God,
That
that's a
checks
great
out.
joke. Okay.
Yes, so for the whole season of Christmas, on Wednesday we will be releasing quick little tips and tricks.
Ooh, just the tip. Can we
5
call it just the tip?
Yeah, we can.
Just the Christmas tips?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
For you guys, just to enhance your Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
And to see our faces a little bit more.
I agree. Just
Mostly
trying to
mine.
add joy to the season.
Again, mostly my face here.
So today we are at the bar, okay, in the Taylor Tap Room, as you may or may not know it.
We are.
And we're about to decorate. So
We hit up the Dollar Tree
we did.
for some decor.
Yep.
Elizabeth had these lights from previously.
This is an old, cheap, lighted garland.
We got some garland here.
Just sizes, different sizes of ornaments, Dollar Tree lights, okay? Some beads. What are these called? It's
Pipe
definitely not,
cleaners.
yeah, tinsel stems.
I
And
call
we're
them.
about to transform this into a winter wonderland.
Let's do like a cut out and then cut back in.
Okay.
We're gonna
Right now?
yeah, we're gonna transfer this.
Into this. Is this it? Oh.
We're gonna how about we do this into this. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
We're gonna transform this into
this. This.
Yes.
Ta-da!
We've done it. It's a masterpiece.
It is a masterpiece.
I know.
Remember Master P?
Oh yeah.
Make him say,
He's dead.
is
Gotta
he?
be. I don't know. Is he?
Then I don't think so. His son, either way, neither here nor there. So this is $10.
It is.
We're balling on the budget.
We are. And listen, we did some cute things. So there's lots of lights. So when the lights go off, you'll be able to see it, right? Very Christmassy. I would drink at this bar at Christmas.
It's your bar. You drink at this bar when it's not Christmas.
I hardly drink. So everyone knows that's a lie.
Where do you know what? Never mind. Neither here nor
I only
there.
drink with you because you're a bad influence. You're a pusher.
Remember who? You know what? I'm not gonna fall into this trap. It's the holidays.
It is. You know what? Hit the Dollar Tree first before you head anywhere else. Listen, I
Bingo.
love a Marshalls. I love TJ Maxx.
Who don't?
I'll hit up Hobby Lobby any day of the
Ooh,
week.
they got some great
Okay?
signs at Hobby
But
Lobby.
stop at Dollar Tree first, okay? Don't sleep on them
Mm-mm.
because they've got some good stuff.
Yeah, and
These
Pinterest.
clothes are so cute.
Pinterest will help you. If you're thinking
Mm-hmm.
I'm not that creative, I need something from Hobby Lobby, Pinterest or different places will help you
We help you.
create something.
Oh man, I probably left that there when we were making out earlier. Just kidding. Care for your friends. But you're right, Pinterest will help. Pinterest
Yep.
wasn't around when I got married, and I think I should get a redo.
With Chris Taylor? Yeah. Neither
I
here nor
haven't-
there.
I haven't thought about that part so much, but yes, Pinterest has a lot of ideas. Even TikTok has a lot of ideas now,
they
okay?
have the dollar, yep.
Hey, and we're on TikTok. I know you don't know this, and we're
Ooh.
not like super active on it because we're like, you know, we're really getting ready for it. But
Yeah, that's what it
TikTok,
is.
She Show videos, also TikTok for Dollar Tree decoration ideas.
Also, subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
That's the most important.
How'd you even get here if you're not subscribed? Tell me that. I have questions.
Also, happy holidays.
Yeah. Thank you.
From
Thank
us
you
at
for
She
joining
Show
us.
videos. I couldn't even say.
Ooh, V's.
From
We should
us at She
change
Show
it to
videos.
She Show V's.
No. Just the tip.
Oh yeah, just the Christmas tips which she showed videos.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye. All right. Have a holly jolly Christmas and a twerking of the year.
If you don't think that's going in the credits.